And again, when I was asked what this meant, it says, it reminded me of an embryo at this stage. And when I was told that the mudga meant a chewed substance, I thought of the embryo here. You see these little bead-like structures, which we call somites. They are beginning of what will be the vertebrae or the backbone. And I suggested that this chewed stage could be referring to these somites, which have the appearance of a chewed substance. If you take, as I did at that time, took a piece of gum and bit into it, and you're left with these teeth marks, which look very much like this. So this stage, the mudga stage, occurs at about 26 to 27 days, and we call that the somite period in descriptive embryology. The transformation from the alica to the mudga is very rapid, and during the last day or two of the alica stage, the embryo is beginning to develop some of the characteristics of the mudga, that is, the somites begin to appear. The word mudga means a piece of substance which has been chewed, and is used to describe this next phase of embryonic development. It should apply with the shape of a substance that the teeth have chewed. In fact, the appropriateness of this term mudga has been indicated in modern embryology. It has been termed that after the formation of the embryo in the placenta, this stage, the embryo receives its nutrients and energy, thereby rapidly increasing the growth process. The bodily masses called somites, from which the bones and the muscle will form, start to appear. During the multitude of bead-like structures, or somites that are present, the embryo has the appearance of a substance that had been imprinted by teeth. And as the somites form, the internal features of the embryo in the mudga stage are partly differentiated into organ anlaga, that means the beginning of structures, and partly undifferentiated. And this description is also stated in the Quran. Now, this is a later stage of mudga. You can see the tail that we all had at that stage, and this little flipper-like structure is what's going to be your upper limb. And so this is the mudga stage.